Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video I want to talk to you about Astonish. Now Astonish is a new product by Darr, Finger Swami and Justin Opens, due to be released on January the 31st at 11 AM Eastern. Now in this review I'm going to go through the product, I'll show you inside, we'll take a look around, and I'll talk to you a little bit more about this strategy overall. And also, if you stick around, I'm going to give you some free alternatives to this that you can maybe check out. So just before we start, my name is Richard Darby, this is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, my reviews are based on my own opinion, based on many years online buying products just like this one. If you're interested in those types of reviews, go ahead and hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I can let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're serious and you really want to build a business online, go ahead and hit the link in the description below. I got some completely free training there for you that'll help you get started straight away. So guys, let's look at Astonish. The usual types of headlines on here, so I'm not really going to focus on the sales page that much. But when you look at this headline, basically you're going to use 5 clicks and it's going to help you tap in to a new traffic source that produces $103 every 60 seconds. Well guys, the new traffic source is Facebook. So it's not new at all. In fact, it's changed its name to a Meta now. And basically Facebook is something that you're going to have to, first of all, connect to this software. Now what you're going to be doing on this software is basically building small videos using their own video creator and live streaming them to Facebook. Now Facebook live streaming, or even live streaming on any platform, is a good way to catch your audience's attention. It is growing. You'll see people do lives all the time. Usually though, they're in person, they're actually talking to you on the camera, and they're engaging with their audience, and then their audience are getting plenty of feedback by leaving comments and then actually engaging with each other. And that's the way that live streaming is most successful. So I'll go into that a little bit more after I've shown you the software. So basically you have all of the latest Warrior Plus deals. Now if you've seen this before, if you've seen any of my reviews before, this software has been repeated over and over and over, especially by Darr and his team, because basically they're just renaming it, changing the colors on some of these buttons, and then rehashing the same software out to you. But if you've never seen this before, basically what you have is a way that you can go into Warrior Plus, ClickBank and JVZoo, look at the sales pages of various products that you could promote, and then grabbing those deals by going over here, and you can click on this and get access to the product itself, and then ask the vendor if you can actually promote. Now when you're first starting off, probably the best one to do actually is ClickBank, because less of these vendors actually need any kind of sales history from you. If you're completely new, to approve you, usually you're automatically approved, you just grab the link. But this is where you're going to get your affiliate links for to make your commissions. So you have to be a member of Warrior Plus, ClickBank and JVZoo obviously to get access to those sites. Next thing, you go ahead and you import your Facebook account, and you just log in there on your Facebook, and you'll have to log in with a page on Facebook, because you can live stream to pages and groups, so you'll have to have a page on Facebook. Next thing is the video creator. Now this is where there is some functionality here that for some could be useful to build a video. If I look on the left hand side here, there's plenty of ways that I can change the design on these videos. I just click on these various designs depending on my niche. I can go and add videos to this. I just search in the library and I can add videos to this. This is all actually in the demo that they give you, and you can just add a small video to this and you can replace it on the canvas. And there you go, that's added a different video. Then you have images I can add on here. So again, I can add images if I want to, just search for images. So this stuff all works fine. I've got no real issue with some of this. You can add text on this image as well. Elements, various types of filtering, so I can change the shading slightly. You can add some audio, and then you can add various layers if you want to start grouping things in a different order. So this piece actually works fine. It is a very, very simple video maker. To be quite honest guys, you can go over and use something like Canva. Canva is completely for free, canva.com. I'll leave the link in the description below. And what you'll see here is if you just go and hit video here, you've got all of these different types of videos you can create on Canva. And I want to come over here. Let's look at one for Facebook. There you go, there's a Facebook one, so I'm using the same kind of thing. Come over to their editor, and they've got thousands and thousands of different images as well that you can use without needing to spend $17 on this particular product. So that's a good alternative to this. And Canva you can also download as an MP4, which is what you have to do in this software anyway before you start live streaming it. So that's kind of the video editing piece. Now if I just go back, what else the other thing you have here is a live streaming application. Now, I've looked online for live streaming applications. This is a very, very simple one, but it does allow you to live stream to Facebook. So I do think that for some, this might be a useful piece of functionality, although I prefer to use things like StreamYard, which is here. Again, I'll leave the link in the description below. This is StreamYard, which is a place that allows you to live stream videos. It allows you to do them live yourself. It also allows you to upload existing videos and then schedule them out to multiple platforms, which this doesn't actually let you do. This only lets you do it to Facebook at the moment. So I would prefer to use something like StreamYard. Go and check this out, see what you think here. You can start for free, but Astonish does allow you to do just to Facebook. So come over here. Basically, you're going to set your campaign up here. You're going to post some content. You're going to schedule it. You're going to decide on the video width here, depending on what you've created. You're going to upload a thumbnail, and then you're going to go ahead and post to whatever page or group you've attached to this software, and then that will stream it. Now, let's talk about audience. Now, when you stream this to Facebook, think about your own Facebook account. If you've got thousands of people on your fan page or your group, this is a good strategy for you, because this is a way that you can live stream your videos. Now, I would actually use a different type of video to this. I'd probably talk more one-to-one with your audience, but live streaming a video to that type of audience is obviously going to get you engagement, and maybe you'll make a few sales of whatever you're trying to promote. The issue is with most of us that are starting out, our Facebook type accounts or social media accounts are really built on family and friends, so they don't really want to see this. And by live streaming to these platforms, I want to make it very clear to you, this does not go somehow viral that other people will pick up on. This is only going to be to your own page, and most people are not even going to notice this on the platform. So just remember that when you live stream anything to Facebook, it's only going to be seen most of the time by the folks that are actually on your own profile, your friends, your family, and only if they share it will other people start to see it. Just be very, very aware of that. So when people talk about free traffic, amazing traffic from Facebook, it depends on the following that you actually grow. So that's the live streaming thing. And then you have this Blast the Live video, which again, this is a application that you can go ahead and use yourself called Add Me. Basically, you can go ahead and pick what you actually want to share, and you can share it to Facebook, Facebook Messenger, Twitter, all of these different social media platforms. Again, the same rule applies, guys. I've said this in so many different reviews that if you've got nobody on these social media platforms, you're pretty much just sharing to nobody at all. Even some of these aren't even social media platforms. There's always Trello in here. Flickster is a cinema review application where you would post something on Flickster. I never know. They're just throwing all these in here just to make it look as if they're giving you something. And quite honestly, if nobody's looking at these, your video is going to go nowhere. Then you have a load of these Facebook posting and comment type tools. The Facebook posting tool is okay. Again, if you wanted a different way to post to Facebook, you can go ahead and use this Facebook posting tool. Again, remember, it's only for your audience, so it depends what audience you got on Facebook, whether it's actually going to make you any money. Comment automation, I hate this type of automation, because when you're doing comment automation, basically you're completely disregarding the person that's actually asked you a question or made a comment. You're going to automate a comment back to them. Very poor way to start marketing, guys. It's not going to work. It wouldn't work for me, and I'm sure if you saw one that somebody just blindly said thank you back and never really engaged, you wouldn't ever buy off them. Subscriber manager, if you've got any subscribers, you can use this to subscribe. They have some auto content posters here. You can actually set up an RS feed. Again, into where, not really sure, but you can go ahead and set and do that on this software. And then you have the training on here. Now, the training on here is interesting because the training is actually going to a previous software of theirs called Prime. So by the time you get it, I'm really hoping they bring the training into here. But looking at this is the demo video for their previous, and I think what you're going to end up getting is a 10-minute demo video with just music that doesn't even explain what you're supposed to be doing. So if you're a complete newbie, I don't think you can have a clue what you're supposed to be doing here as far as posting things to Facebook. So guys, I do think that the strategy that they're talking about at one level is fine if you have an existing audience. If you want to live stream to that audience, there's better ways to do it, and there's better applications to use like StreamYard, because it allows you to go face to face with the audience or build much better videos with that particular application. And you can stream it to Twitch, you can stream it to YouTube, all at the same time using something like StreamYard. If you haven't got anything like that, and if you're really struggling and you want to try and find a way to stream to your audience, this could be okay for $17. However, when I look at claims like this on the sales page, immediately I kind of mark this down because it's nonsense. Because at the end of the day, all it is a application that allows you to build extremely simple videos and then live stream them to Facebook. So let's have a look at the OTOs. So you're going to get the front end for $17. Again, the world's first multi-channel live streaming app. It's not the world's first anything because there's loads of these and they've sold loads of these so far over the past 12 months. Upsell 1 is the Astonish Unlimited, is $39. The Unlimited edition of Astonish has multiple templates, unlimited usage, and limited traffic and sales. Again, if they could get unlimited traffic and sales, they would never need to get an affiliate to sell this product for them because they just do it themselves and keep all the profit. Upsell 2 Astonish Done For You edition is $297. Upsell 3 Astonish Automated Edition is $39. Upsell 4 Astonish Done For You Templates Club is $39. Your customers get 200 customizable video templates. Upsell 5 Astonish 50 times click and go campaigns will give your customers 50 proven TikTok campaigns that they can copy and paste to make affiliate sales with TikTok. So you can see here, guys, that's nearly $500 worth of upsells. Quite honestly, you can get a really nice membership with someone like StreamYard, have a really good streaming platform that you can use and go to multiple different platforms. If you're one of my followers and you're interested in doing live streaming on these platforms, I would definitely use something like StreamYard itself. So guys, I hope that was value to you. My name is Richard Darby. This is School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're serious and you want to learn how to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. Until next time, take care.